Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. Kwezi asked Pretty that why she didn't pack her bags and go with her mother because she saw Manduli yesterday at court. She said, "You are not helping us with anything. We are at war and you don't know anything. So Tusha, if you can pack your bags and go home." Lihasa just came from upstairs and then called Kwezi and asked her about where about the cufflinks, and Kwezi just went to take them. Then Pretty felt her to really hasa abijena. He asked Kwezi Kazi. Then when they go to court, Pretty's mom before they went out, Pretty's mom and uncle came at Lehasa's place to fetch Pretty. They told her that we must go home together. Lehasa and Kwezi are murders. Lehasa said he's waiting for Pretty to further her studies, then he will marry her. Lehasa also told Manduli that Pretty is from a good family. She helped him with prayers and utomonyala. Then Kwezi was hurt. When they go to the court, she left them without saying anything. So they were surprised or okay because they don't know where she is. She didn't told anyone. She was angry because Manduli, because Lehasa Wurija Manduli or rather Pretty. And then Dr. Tuahale was in good mood, and her mother asked her, "Why you are so happy?" And she told her that I'm talking with a patient, and that patient ubonchelo one rata. And Mama Tuahale told her that Wanaga, it's been a while uduju saratane le moto, just go for it. And Dr. Abarke, my patient, contacted Tuahale and told her that let's go out for a date. And Tuahale adumela. When she go to the hospital and check, Mr. Khanyao advised Lizzie that Luke is a ubonagala as if is a scammer. He said him talking over the radio with one of his family, telling them that he won't make a mistake. He's going to scam her. He's going to make money. And Tuahale was like, "Happy, I already accepted uri kitlo ya dating le yena ha tsebo ra dire bjang." And then the Mabutlas were happy and celebrated that Mabitsi is going to get another opportunity for Ntoya Maroti. Unfortunately, Mabitsi was hurt and told them that the agreement was cancelled and she doesn't know why they cancelled it. Mandule just came back home and she was hurt. Abuja, Clement and Kwaito that I think Lehasa is in something. And Leado was asking Lehasa, or is it truth that you killed Fanny Masirumule at the hospital? When they were busy talking, Maroti just came and said, "Yeah, give me to an overlaya banabatu. Ari Lehasa Arkante, Awano Renali lawyer Rakar Sablela Moon. Atloaya go Briti, Awaja Britur, one about Hanga Bekiluena. Because this guy is dangerous." So Akitsabur Briti Uto de Rabiang, because she loves Lehasa. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.